Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to do a price prediction update in the market for Bitcoin Cash. Do you guys think that the price is pumping? Do you think the price will go higher in Bitcoin Cash? Hopefully we'll see that on the chart today, and that will make us come through and change our current idea, which you all can see is for Bitcoin Cash to continue to trend down. So welcome everyone to my channel. Make sure before you go, if you appreciate the content, that you share the video, that you also like the video, and also that you subscribe here to this channel for more of my content. I'm simply here to give you all a different idea of how to look at the market to get ahead of our competition, because this is a game against those who can get ahead of the next person. If you can get ahead of the people before you or those behind you, then you have a greater chance of profiting from the market moves. So I've been showing that for countless years here on this particular channel. I just want you all to go ahead and look at it. If you guys don't believe that we've been predicting price action for an extremely long period of time, we've got a lot of our predictions correct. There have been times where we got them wrong, but when we do get them incorrect, then guess what we do? We come back and we break down the thing that we missed on why we didn't get our prediction correct. So right now, we've already identified that the idea currently in the market in Bitcoin Cash is for price to go down. All right. Now we have this area right here that we have recognized and that we call the buy pocket, meaning that whenever price goes to this pocket, you will expect people to become reinvigorating and try to keep the market from going any lower than that pocket. So you guys can see that that's pretty much what has occurred in Bitcoin Cash following this massive day on February the 3rd. Okay, we've seen buyers support price in this pocket right here. Okay, so this is the place, the location that is playing against our original idea right now, which is for price to go lower. And we need to recognize that. We all need to say, okay, cool. I'm looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash to continue to go down. This currently is in the way. So if it continues to be in the way, then guess what we'll need to do? Exactly. We need to come in and revise our current idea to one of potentially switching it and looking for Bitcoin Cash to go up. That's what we'll have to do. Now, looking at the market today, though. Okay. Looking at the market today, we're currently down in Bitcoin Cash 3%. Okay. We need to see this continuation in the market in Bitcoin Cash. I will feel a little bit better if at the ending of today's trading day, the market in Bitcoin Cash comes all the way back down to the low of yesterday. That will give me a little bit more confidence that we are sitting pretty good in our current idea of looking at Bitcoin Cash to continue to go down. All right. Now let's look at Bitcoin Cash on the 2. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin Cash on the 2, and we have 12 hours and 15 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar. But let's keep it real. Doesn't it look identical to the prior 2 days? Look at that bar. Yes, it does. So both of these bars represent selling. How do you know it represents selling? Well, because look at where the price closed. It's very important on how the price bar prints. And when it closes at the low, off the highs, then that represents that more selling came into the market. And we're still seeing people selling Bitcoin Cash over the last 4 days. Okay. Here is Bitcoin Cash on the 3. Pretty much the same idea. We're still seeing sellers in the market in Bitcoin Cash. What about on the 4? Same thing here. We're seeing the price closing well away from the high of the bar. That's not good if you're looking for price to go up. You want to see the market close at the high of the bar. We have 12 hours and 14 minutes. Again, how this prints will give us a big clue as to whether or not our price prediction is still valid or we might need to change it. Here it is on the 5. Bitcoin Cash on the weekly. Here it is on the 2. Bitcoin Cash on the 3. This is on the 5-weekly chart. Okay. And I think I mentioned this on our last video for Bitcoin Cash. I told you all, don't forget about this bar. This bar right here is telling us long term what could potentially go down in the market in Bitcoin Cash. And it looked like it's the price. Yeah, short term, we can see price go up. Yeah, you can profit in the market in Bitcoin Cash with price going up in the short term. It's all possible. It all depends on your time frame. Okay. But I really want you all to do not forget that 5-weekly price bar there. So let's take a look at the hourly chart real quick in the market for Bitcoin Cash. I want us to see if sellers are hitting the market. So you guys can see it's literally right here. So the same market participants who came through in Bitcoin Cash on this 5-hour price bar right here. Let me give you all the arrow right here. Whoever sold Bitcoin Cash February the 4th, price came back up to this area and that seller hit the market again. Price of Bitcoin Cash came down. Buyers hit that pocket again and that seller's like, cool, I got more Bitcoin Cash to sell to you. Price is going back down again. So this is being seen as a restriction. This pocket of selling right here is being seen as a restriction. It is restricting buyers from moving the price up. Again, as long as this holds as a sell pocket, Bitcoin Cash is not going to go up. As long as that seller is right in this pocket, Bitcoin Cash won't go up. So do you think the demand is greater here in Bitcoin Cash to where buyers will break this pocket of selling and then take it to the next seller? Do you think the market will break that pocket of selling? Do you think price is going to go all the way back down? See, at certain price levels, there are pockets. And pockets are congregations of sellers or buyers. Price is a magnet. It tries to point to these pockets, right? So now we have the control of the market being in favor of the buyers. Buyers currently are taking this magnet called price, and they're trying to hit these pockets so that they can come in and take profit. You have to go to areas to where there's majority of sell orders and or buy orders in order for you to profit. All right. So we're just simply trailing where the magnet is trying to go. So from our perspective on the daily chart, Bitcoin Cash still looks weak. Now, I'm not saying that it's not going to go up. I will have to reevaluate our prediction if I see the market of Bitcoin Cash break this sell pocket right there. Okay. I will have to change my analysis. But by us looking at that 5-hour chart, maybe on the 330, we'll see, okay, something is not right if you're a buyer. You're trying to tell me that there's not enough money in the buyer's possession that they cannot break price above that sell pocket. That's exactly what I'm telling you. They're not willing to break price in that pocket yet. So maybe price in Bitcoin Cash will come back down, right? They'll pick up some more buyers to where they'll successfully break that pocket to the upside. Okay. So right now, I'm not going to change the price prediction, but I am recognizing that that is a process that is trying to formalize itself. It's trying to change the direction. All right. So hopefully I have explained myself in simplistic terms that you all can see what I'm talking about and how to see the market better for yourself as to what's really going on. Okay. So that's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.